This is a full keyboard. As you can see slowly, it has all the numbers, the arrows. You can customize the settings on the lights, and these are to change very slowly. It is heavy, but I think it's very worth it. It is about 6 pounds. And this side, I'll show you later, you can change it to be worked on a Mac or on a Windows. The keys are removable. If you look closely, when you move that switch, you can switch it to a Mac. This is a red switch and it has the key puller. Oh, oopsie, we removed it right here. They're very soft to push. You can easily put it back. It comes with all the gadgets to remove the keys. They have like a little curvature, I do see.
That's the profile that's specific to this one.
To remove, you use a key puller, twist it to the left, and then the key comes off. The keys are interchangeable. I'll show you more in a second. Typing was a different experience. It was, I would call it, loosely speaking, fancy typing. It was so fun. The keys feel amazing. Here we connected the keyboard to the cable, but it definitely also works Bluetooth. This is the box that it comes in with the factory. And that's how you also change it from Mac to Windows, how you can turn it on or charge it. And if you're going to use it for a Mac, you have the Mac specific keys, as you can see over here. So very customizable. It comes with instructions and a quick start guide as depicted below. Overall, I think this is an amazing product if you're into keyboards. With the gadgets and tools that you need to change the keys or fix them, and what else can you want? This is an amazing experience that makes your typing super fun.